Hello guys, welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can tag everyone in a group. Yes, how you can tag everyone in a group without needing to be tagging them one by one. That is on WhatsApp group. You don't need to tag them one by one, you'll be able to tag them at once. This actually helps in boosting views. Yes, calling more people's attention that are not checking your post on a group. You understand? This can be done on any group that you are an admin or you are not, as far as the group is open to you for you to chat. You understand? But if the group is actually locked from chats and you are not an admin, you won't be able to do this. But if the group is locked from chat and you are an admin, you will still be able to do this. You'll be able to tag everyone in the group with this method, right? Which other things can you do with this particular method? The other things is this first one, anti-link. That means if you can do it in such a way that when people post a particular link, the link is going to be deleted automatically, or the message is going to be deleted automatically. You know, some people used to spam someone's group with links. If you don't want that, you can make use of this same bot. So another one is the anti-fake, anti-word. If some people use a particular word, maybe like sell, sales, or any word that you actually prompt it to detect, it will automatically detect it and remove it. Another one is stop, filter, GPP, welcome, goodbye. That is, anytime someone join a group, it's going to tell them welcome, or anytime people leave a group, it's going to tell them goodbye. Another one is the kick. That is going to kick them out of the group when they do something that is actually wrong. Another one is add. That is, add someone to group. Promote, demote, invite from the group. Mute, to mute a group, to unmute a group, to join a group, to revoke, to get info about a group. Common, messages, reset, inactive, a mute, a unmute, PDM, anti-spam, tag, vote, one. Right? So you can see there is vote, there is one, there is anti-spam. So there are a lot of features that can be performed on group with this particular bot. So when you look at it, the one that we are going to be talking about right here, and there are still other features. Yes, there are still other things, a lot of other things that you can perform with this, which are listed here. But for this particular video, we only want to talk about the tag all, whereby you tag people. I want you to note something. To be able to activate the WhatsApp group tag all bots, you understand, a normal WhatsApp cannot use it, right? If you go and try it for your normal WhatsApp, it won't work. You understand? So if you want to activate the bots for your WhatsApp, it works for any WhatsApp once that bot is actually activated. So if you want to activate the bot for your WhatsApp, what you do is you go to the description below, click on the link that you can see in the description, either to come to my WhatsApp or to come to this page here. Yeah, you can see that it is currently on discount, which you can actually enjoy right now, right? Which is gets for 5,000 instead of 20,000 naira. Yeah, so this is very, very limited. This is very, very limited. And once you are able to get it, you will get the cost to be able to learn how to activate the bot all by yourself. You learn how to activate the bot all by yourself. So once the bot is activated, then you can do everything that is done, everything that I do in the video with my WhatsApp, that is able to tag everyone and other things. Yeah, what are the other features? Which is the anti-link, the anti-fake, anti-spam, the stop, filter, GPP, welcome, goodbye, and so on and so forth. So there are many things you can actually do with this bot. So now this is my first WhatsApp, right? I'm going to be using this test tag all group. This is my first WhatsApp, and this is my second WhatsApp that you are going to be able to see. You'll be able to see this thing right there, right? Can you see? Here's my second WhatsApp. Good. So now you now see how this works. Let me go back now. So yeah. So now let me use the tag all method. This is now my first WhatsApp whereby I'm going to tag, yes, I'm going to tag people. This is the WhatsApp. Why I tag all in the group, this one is going to show that it is already tagged. It's going to show the icon hearts. You understand? You know that that heart means that you are being mentioned, and everybody is always curious to see the reason why or to know the reason why they are being mentioned, even though they are not mentioned in this particular one, but they actually, well, it's true mention all. So now let's do that. So all I just need to do is to, if I have a particular content, let me say this is my content, or I just want to tell the group hi. Let me just do this dot tag space hi. So you see, you can see that it's loaded and check, and it's drop the high. So now if I now go back to my second WhatsApp, you can see that it has tagged me right here as if the person is actually talking to me, and this is really crazy. This is really crazy, and it works for any kind of content. Just for any kind of content. Let me use this one. Let me use this content. Let me copy it, then tag dot tag, and let me paste it. You can see it. Let me paste it and input it so you can see it. Then it's check and repost, right? So let me go back to it. You can see that it has tagged me again, that heart. So that will prompt me to open and view what is actually there. You can see how crazy this is. That is how crazy it is. So it prompts me that okay. So this is going to help you in driving more sales on WhatsApp groups. And even if the group is not your group, that is, you are not an admin, as far as the group is open, you can do the same thing. Or you want to call people's attention to your messages, all those stuffs are very, very important. If you want to make sure everyone in the group see your message, that is very, very important as well, right? So if you want to get this, click the link you can find in the description below, or send me a DM. All right, thank you, bye.